children, let's hold the ribbon and to say each other good wishes and good compliments. Well, I'll begin. Jasmine, I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I wish you long life. Thank you. I wish you joy. Thank you. I wish you happiness. Thank you. I wish you good luck. Thank you. I wish you good health. Thank you. You are clever. Thank you. You are charming. Thank you. I wish you long life. Thank you. I wish you good luck. Thank you. I wish you health. Thank you. You are good friend. Thank you. I wish you happiness. Thank you. You are good listening. Thank you. You are brave.
Well, thank you, my dears. Now, I'll divide you into 4 groups with colors. You can choose and then see the name of the group. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. See the name of the group. The first group is spring. The color is green. Yeah? Green group, sit down here. Anita. Next. Okay, the second group, yellow. You may sit here. Next, the third group is autumn. The orange group is, you may sit here. Mario, Shabda, Rosina, Nasafik. The last group is winter. Blue, yeah? You may sit. Okay, today is the 8th of December. The theme of our lesson, seasons and months. As you know, there are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has 3 months. The months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Children, let's watch a video about weather and the seasons.
Seasons. Spring. I love to see all the beautiful flowers in spring. Spring. Summer. I like to go surfing in summer. Summer. Autumn. I like to go for a walk in autumn. Autumn. Winter. I like to build a snowman in winter. Winter. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter.
And now, children, let's check your listening comprehension skills. You should listen and then match the favorite seasons. Okay? Then let's check together.
And match. Ben's favourite season is spring. He likes dancing in the rain. Susie likes summer. She goes to the beach. Haley's favourite season is autumn. She likes the colours on the trees. Peter likes winter. He goes skiing.
Copyright Crew Languages 2022.
Teacher likes Twitter.
Thank you. Now children, let's sing a song and then dance together.
Today it is sunny. Is it windy? No, it is rainy. How's the weather today? It is cloudy. Is it sunny? No, it is windy. How's the weather today? It is snowy. How is it cold? No, it is hot. How's the weather today? It is cold.
Okay, thank you. I will give you. Good job. Thank you. Next. Second goal.
Spring months are March, April, May. Summer months are June, July, August. Autumn months are September, October, November. Winter months are December, January, February.
Excellent, Zaira. Good job. No, this is for you. This is for you. This is for you. Thank you. It's a group. Mariam, Shadia, Rich.
Seasons. The same of our coastal same is seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Perfect. Well done. This is for you. This is for you. you should write it silently. Okay? If you answers the first picture,